tuning in for the review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons. It's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best highly recommended products for this year.
Hey, I'm Zach with Vortex Optics, here to give you a look at the highly popular Crossfire 2 rifle scope. This series offers a comprehensive lineup of popular sizes and configurations, including this 3-9x50. The Crossfire 2 rifle scope takes quality and value to the extreme with a solid platform that's built to outperform all other similarly priced rifle scopes. Quite simply, the only thing entry-level about this scope is its price. One of the most impressive things about these scopes is the long eye relief and ultra-forgiving eye box, which helps you quickly get a sight picture and acquire your target. With its anti-reflective, fully multi-coated lenses, your views through the Crossfire are bright and clear. Strength and durability are unquestioned thanks to the one-piece aircraft-grade aluminum tube that is also nitrogen-purged and O-ring sealed for a lifetime of waterproof and fog-proof performance. The fast-focus eyepiece allows you to dial in sharp focus of the reticle. And the cap turrets are finger-adjustable with tactile MOA clicks and can be reset to 0 after sighting in. Need a rifle scope built to exceed your expectations without breaking the budget? Look to the Crossfire 2. You won't be disappointed, especially when you consider your purchase is covered by our unlimited, unconditional, lifetime VIP warranty. Check one out online or at a Vortex dealer near you.